How to make a game pass in Roblox Studio. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a game pass in Roblox Studio. First of all, open up your browser and enter roblox.com. Next, by navigating to the top of the Roblox platform, click on the Create option. After that, click on the Creations at the left column. Now, ensure that My Experience is chosen as a default option. You might have various experiences. Choose the one for which you want to create a game pass by clicking on it. After that, click one of them and then click on Open in a new tab. Once you're here, then click on the View on Roblox. After that, click on the Store and then scroll down. Now tap on the plus button at the bottom left side. Once you're done with this, now go back to Creator Dashboard. Here, click on one of the experiences and then click on the Configure Localization. Now, you are proceeding to the localization page and then click on the passes at the bottom left corner. Here, you may create a pass, so click on Create a Pass button. Now enter your name and image and add a description here. And now, we have created a game. So this is how you can create a game pass. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.